unboxing day. Wow. Do you have any brothers that could come over?
Who's next? You'll see. Hey there, little guy. What is your name?
Hey, little guy.
Actually, his name is Nertnut.
I see. Whoa!
Whoa, are you okay? Not really.
He hit his head too hard.
Right? He'll be fine. Bubba, do you think Rocky hit his head too hard?
We'll see.
I think so. Wait a minute, then where'd Nertnut go? I'm right here, next guy. Nertnut, what have you been doing? Oh, as you see, I just grabbed him a Coke because he hit his head too hard and I thought he was gonna be better. I see.
I got an idea. Boing, boing, boing. I hope you like it.
Orbitons, are you ready for a space trip? Whenever you are, bud.
Yippee-yi-yo. What do you have? I got nothing. Let's get in the box. Boing, boing, boing.
Well, Dribble, let's try it out. Okay.
Boing, boing.
Okay, so what I'm really gonna do is that I'm gonna use my flames just to make them think that the box could fly.
Okay.
Here. Go.
3 seconds later. Wow. 37 minutes. I got nothing. I'm very hard to spelling.
Are you alright? Not really.
Do you want to go back home to usually hang out here all the time?
Usually hang out all the time?
Kiwi.
Don't be silly. I think he really needs to go back to our area.
I see.
Okay, you can take me now. Okay, I got some bad news. Rocket is about to shut down himself because some type of air he does not want going inside his helmet. Then do something
Okay.
about it.
Too late. Walk it. No.
No.
Oh, never mind.
That is such a dramatic ending for you guys. That's right. Your little robot had died for a few seconds, and then he came out to life. Oh, great charger. Wait a minute, he doesn't have a charger.
Okay, I get it now. Take off, Zorch.
Oh, stupid Zorch. Well, guys, that is a great thing.
Okay.